This video is to provide you with an introduction to the LPL Construction Services SharePoint site. This site has been generated in order to provide staff with access to information they need to undertake their duties safely, responsibly, and in the most effective manner. This video is to provide you with an introduction to the LPL Construction Services SharePoint site. This site has been generated in order to provide staff with access to information they need to undertake their duties safely, responsibly, and in the most effective manner. What is the purpose of SharePoint? SharePoint is a communication tool which provides a means of access to policies, processes, forms, and templates. It can also be used to provide access to other useful pieces of information. This LPL intranet site is only available to internal LPL staff. However, it can also be accessed via the mobile SharePoint app. The homepage, which you can see here, acts as a focal point for our site. The site has been set up based on the principle of giving access to a document in 3 clicks or less. This site is only available to internal LPL staff. It can also be accessed via the mobile SharePoint app. You can access different types of document by clicking on these titles as shown. You may have to scroll down the page to see all document types. Let's have a look in the Process Flowchart folder. As you can see, this folder is further divided by discipline: Admin, Airports Division, Construction Division, Finance, HR, and HSQE. All LPL process flowcharts use the same process flowchart key. Included in each key are process steps, input or output documents, other related processes, stored data, inputs, outputs, decision steps, and the end and beginning of every process. Each process step should also indicate the responsible person or position for undertaking that process step. The title bar of each process flowchart details the discipline, its revision status, the owner of the process, and its date of issue. The easiest way to change how you are viewing a process flowchart is to use the viewing toolbar, which you can find at the bottom of the page. To view LPL company policies, simply click on the LPL company policies box. By clicking on the policy you want to view, this will open the file. Once you have opened the file, you are able to share, copy, print, or even download it. The same principle applies to accessing company manuals. LPL organisation charts can also be accessed from the front page. The organisation charts are further divided by Airport Division, construction division and office support. Just double-click on the required organisation chart to open the file. Each organisation chart should display its title, revision and date of issue. To close any file you have opened within SharePoint, simply click on the X. If at any point you wish to return to the home page, select the LPL logo in the top left-hand corner. Access to LPL forms and templates can be found from the home page like this. Once into the document library, you can change the view of all forms and templates by selecting all documents and changing either the list or the tile view. Access to the LPL Employee Handbook can also be found via the front page. The SharePoint site can also give staff access to all LPL accreditations and certifications. Once on this page, you are able to view or even download a copy of a certificate. The ability to provide feedback is important for the continuous improvement of our SharePoint site. On the front page, there is a facility for you to provide comments and feedback to the SharePoint administrator. By providing comments and feedback, we should be able to improve the contents and the functionality of the site, which is imperative in the achievement of continuous improvement. Our site also includes a section on frequently asked questions. To provide feedback, simply fill out your details as shown in the boxes on the screen and press send.